Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Charge the Solo 4 fully and test both wired and Bluetooth audio so you know if the problem is connection or hardware. Once done, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then reconnect. Make sure to examine the non-working ear cup seam and grill closely for physical damage, debris, or a detached cable. These visual clues tell you whether this is internal wiring or a connection issue you must address next. Once you've determined it's not a pairing or software issue, open the affected ear cup carefully. Remove the cushion with a plastic pry tool, then remove any hidden screws while organizing parts to avoid loss. Access the inner cavity and locate the speaker connector and flex cable. Use a multimeter to check continuity across the speaker leads and gently wiggle the connector while playing audio to see if sound returns. If continuity fails, the cable or connector is the likely culprit and needs reseating or replacement. If you found a loose connector, reseat it firmly and test audio before final reassembly. If the flex cable or trace is visibly damaged, replace or solder the break, taking care with heat. Reassemble the ear cup in reverse order and test both wired and Bluetooth modes before seating the cushion. Once reassembled, if the side still fails, swap the left and right speaker modules to confirm which component is defective: the speaker, cable, or board. If swapping isolates the speaker, replace it. Otherwise, replace the cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.